Welcome to all. This is a video about the common problem of all two-wheelers, which is the breaking down of the brake light glass or tail light glass from its body. Without replacing this glass, the reusing procedure of this glass is simply explained in this video. So let's begin the video. Now, only two screwing holes of the brake light glasses only remain the reflector. So let's first unscrew the screws from this reflector and take their parts from the reflector. So it's unscrewing. Unscrewing the left side screw, it is unscrewed. Next is unscrewing the right side screw, it is also unscrewed. So the both of the parts are unscrewed from the reflector. This is that broken glass and this is the broken piece in my hand. So that piece is placing above the glass to check the correct position in which the piece is shooting the more. Okay, the left side piece is shooted correctly. Similarly, next piece is also checking. It will shoot in a particular position because a uneven surface is found between two broken surfaces. Okay, both of them are placed correctly. For sticking edge, I am using Fevitite, a kind of Harald available in all hardware shops. It costs about 60 rupees. Like Harald, it also have two tubes, a resin tube and a hardener containing tube. So it is taking a resin from the resin tube and taking hardener from the hardener tube and mixing it very well to apply in the needle surface. One of the major advantages of this glue is that this glue will stick within 15 minutes, but Harald need some time to stick very well. Once it is mixed correctly, it will attain a cream color like this. Now it is mixed correctly. Then it can be applied to the broken pieces. Here, to ensure more strength, I am also tying that broken part with a wool to ensure more strength. Here, first I applied a small drop of Fevitite to the broken pieces and tying it with a thread around the broken pieces. It is to ensure more strength to this pasting. Okay, it is tied well and applying this Fevitite to that part. Okay, it is applied. But here in this side, tying thread is not possible because it is broken almost from the starting of that protection. So the only way is to applying more Fevitite to this part. So it is applying more glue to this part. Okay, now both of them are applied correctly. Then leave the glass for some time. It will stick within 15 to 13 minutes, but leaving it overnight is better. This is the final output I got after 12 hours. Now it is very hard like a stone. It is not possible to break this part with a hand. Also, I washed it and now it is going to fix it in the scooter. It is placing above the reflector and tightening the both screws. Tightening the left side screw and tightening the right side screw. Okay, now both are tightened and it is fixed correctly. Now it is strong like gold. If taillight is broken, replacing it is better. But if the taillight is not available in spare parts shop for some time, this method can be used. Also, the old taillight is not that much old. This method can be also used in that time. In our case, this is Bajaj Chethak Classic 2003 model. The new taillight of this scooter is not available now. It can be only available after 1 week. So I use this method till that time. This is the first video uploading in my channel after crossing 1000 subscribers by my channel. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If this video is useful to you, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching.